Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to make a new wood top if the glass on your patio table broke. My table had holes in the ledge going all around, so I started off by using a drill bit to drill all the way through those so I would be able to use screws to attach the wood top later on. For the wood, I ended up using dog-ear fence pickets that were 6 feet long that I got from Lowe's for about $3 a piece, and I needed 7 of them for my table. I used my speed square and circular saw to cut all the boards to length. I had some scrap 1x6 pieces that I used to act as supports and attach all the pickets together. I used 3 of the 1x6 pieces and cut them a few inches shorter than the width of the table so they wouldn't interfere with the ledge of the table. Next, I marked the middle of the support pieces so I could line it up with the middle of my center picket. I roughly spaced the support pieces out evenly and lined up the center mark on the support pieces with the center mark I had made on the picket. I drilled pilot holes before using 2 screws on each board to attach them to the picket. Here's a better look after I attached the 3 supports to the first board. I wanted to leave a small gap between pickets so water could drain off the table when it rained. I used a piece of hardboard as a spacer that was about 1/8 of an inch thick. I repeated the process of drilling the 2 pilot holes and then 2 screws into each support piece. And here's how it looked with 5 pickets attached. I flipped everything over to get a look at the top and so I could measure to cut the last pickets. I roughly marked where I needed to cut on each end, connected those marks, and cut it with my circular saw, and then attached it to the supports like before. Next, I sanded everything with 220 grit sandpaper. Everything was looking pretty smooth and ready for staining. I ended up using some leftover deck stain I had. It's by Cabot and in the color Cordovan Brown. It's a one-step stain which made staining the table quick and easy, and it also matched my deck. To secure the top to the frame, I used a small drill bit to drill a pilot hole in the picket from the bottom of the table, being careful not to drill all the way through the top. Then I used a screw to secure the top and repeated the process around the table. And here's how it turned out. I also spray painted the frame black to make it look new again. I'm really happy with how it looks, and I can't wait to put it to use this summer. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video helps you with your project.